welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this day of our trip, it looked like it was going to rain the entire day because it was cloudy. So we spent the day walking around Lucerne. We went to these markets, which was super nice. We got some fruit. The fruit there was crazy expensive. And we saw this cool marching band. We actually saw them first when we got off the train. Like, some of them were on our train. We're like, where are these people going? Like, my mum was like, I really want to find them and follow them. And I was like, no. So we just went to the markets and then we just hear them. But yeah, that was cool to listen to. After that, we went and explored this wall. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it up. We went up all of the towers and there was honestly so many stairs. From the top we could see the whole of Lucerne and then the lake that's near there. Then we got some currywurst with pommes for dinner or lunch? Dinner? I don't remember. The next day we left Lucerne and we went on our way to Interlaken region. We were going to Lauterbrunnen, which is near Grindelwald. But on the way we went and looked at this cool like waterfall in between like mountains. The mountains and cliffs were so tall and the water was that color because of the glaciers, like it's all the glacier melt or snow melt, and the path was super narrow. After seeing that, we went to another spot where we saw this waterfall, which is apparently featured in Sherlock Holmes. We went up on a really like dodgy looking train sort of thing. There was so much water and it was very pretty. And we saw a view of the town there as well. We just walked up so many stairs. And then after that we went and got on a ferry with our luggage still, and that took us to Interlaken, and then from there we caught a train to Lauterbrunnen where we just put our stuff down and had a bit of a rest for the afternoon.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, but you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same way.